Hello students, welcome back to the class. In the last video we have discussed about the numbers, notation, Indian place value chart, international place value chart, base value and face value. In this part we will discuss about the comparison of numbers. So here comparison of numbers. There are rules. Rule number 1 is a number with more digit is greater. So if you are having number having more digits than the other one, so that number will be considered as a greater one. As you can see in this example, there are two numbers 78 and 9. This 78 you can see is a 2-digit number and this 9 is a 1-digit number. So according to this rule, this 78 having more digits, so that is why this 78 is greater than 9. Now we will consider the second example. As you can see two numbers here. One number is a 3-digit number and the other one is a 4-digit number. So by this rule, this 3845 is greater than 981. Now we will move on to the second rule. If two numbers have the same number of digits, then in that case how we can decide which number is greater? So here in this rule, if two numbers have the same number of digits, the number with the bigger unit on the left hand side is greater. If the leftmost digits are same, we compare the next digit to the right and keep doing this until the digits are different. Means, suppose if you have two numbers and both are having the same number of digits. So in that case, we will compare the numbers from the digit from the left, from the extreme left. So you can see in this example, we have two numbers here, 3654 and 2971. Both numbers have 4 digits. So in this case, how we can compare? So we will move on to the left hand side. So from the extreme left, we will check the first digit of both the numbers. So here from the left, what is the first digit? 3. And in this number, what is the first digit from the left? 2. So which is greater? 3 is greater. So that is why 3654 is greater than 2971. Second example is also there. Again, two numbers are there. Both are having 5 digits. So we will check from the digit from the left. So as you can see, the first digit from the left in both the numbers are same. You can see. Here also first digit is 1 and here also first digit is 1. So in this case, we will move on to the next digit. So what is the second digit from the left? 7. And here what is the second digit from the left? 6. So here 7 is greater than 6. So therefore 17,645 is greater than 16,321. Now in this third example, again we have two numbers having 6th digit. This number is also having 6 digits and this number is also having 6 digits. And then you can see also that the first 2 digits from the left are same in both the numbers. Here also 84, here also 84. So in this case, we will move on to the third digit. What is the third digit from the left in this number? 3. And what is the third digit from the left in another number? 8. So which is greater? 8 is greater. So therefore, 8,48,210 is greater than 8,43,921. Now, in the next example, again you have two numbers. Both are having same number of digits. And you can see also the 3 digits from the left are same in both. So in this case, we will check the 4th digit from the left. The 4th digit from the left is 4. And here in this number, 4th digit from the left is 0. So which is greater? 4 is greater. So therefore, 65,940 is greater than 65,904. Now we will move on to the next topic, formation of smallest and greatest number by using given digits. Suppose if you are having some digits and you have to form the smallest and greatest number by using those digits. How will you form it? So you can see this example. We have these digits 4, 6, 1 and 2. So first of all we form smallest number. So to form smallest number we have to arrange the digits in increasing order. Increasing order means from smaller to bigger. So here we have arranged these digits in increasing order. What is the order of the digit? 1, 2, 4 and 6. So what is the smallest number formed here by using these digits? 1246. And to form greatest number, we have to arrange the digits in decreasing order. Decreasing order is from bigger to smaller. So here is the order 6, 4, 2, 1. So what is the greatest number formed here? 6421. We have one more example here. In this we have these digits 0, 2, 5 and 3. So again we have to form the smallest and the greatest number. So to form smallest number, we have to arrange the digits in increasing order as we have done in the previous example. So here we have arranged the numbers 0, 2, 3, 4. We have arranged these digits. So in order to form the smallest number, we cannot write this number starting from 0. Because if we form this number starting from 0, then that number will not be counted as a 4-digit number. Because we have 4 digits, so we have to form 4-digit number. So in this case, we have to interchange the first 2 digits. We have to change their place. We have to interchange the first 2 digits here. So the smallest number formed is 2035. And to form greatest number, we have to arrange the digits in decreasing order. So here is the order 5, 3, 2, 0. So what is the greatest number formed here? 5320. Now we will move on to the next topic. Formation of all 3-digit numbers by using the given set of digits, taking each digit only once. Suppose we have these 3 digit, and by using these 3 digit we have to form all possible 3-digit numbers. But one condition is there that we have to use each digit only one time. So here is a way to form the numbers. I will keep each digit one by one at one's place. You can also use stands and hundreds place here because there are only 3 places in the place value chart here. So one by one I will keep the digit at one's place. So first I am keeping 3 at one's place. So when I will keep 3 at one's place, I have to change the place of 2 and 8. 2 and 8. So by keeping 3 at one's place, to how many numbers are formed? 2 numbers are formed. Similarly, I will do this with 2. Now I will keep this 2 at one's place and I will change the place of 3 and 8. So how many numbers are formed? 2 numbers are formed again. And in the last also, again I have to keep this 8 at one's place. And I have to change the place of 2 and 3. So how many numbers are formed? 2 numbers are formed. So in all, how many numbers are formed? Total 6 numbers are formed. 6 3-digit numbers are formed by using these 3 digits, by taking each digit only one time. So total numbers formed are 283, 823, 382, 832, 328, 238. So students, that's it for today. I hope you all will understand this. Thank you.